Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. So, happy Epiphany po sa inyong lahat. Today, we celebrate the solemnity of the Epiphany of the Lord. Formerly, this is known as Three Kings and celebrating January 6. But the liturgy changed and made the Sunday after the Holy Family, the Sunday of Epiphany. And we say three kings, no? But they are in fact magi, no? Astrologers, no? Wanting to know the mystery of our stars, no? When we stargaze, when we look up to the sky, no? And we call them Melchor, Gaspar, and Balthazar. And they came all the way from the east. They are representing what we call the Gentile world. No? You know, God chose Israel to be His chosen people, not because of their merits, not because they are superior, no, than other nations, no? But they were chosen to set a good example for all people, for all nations, for all races. And if we are having Miss Universe pageantry or Mr. Universe beauty contest, let us bear in mind that God is our God of the universe. He loves all men. No? Wala po siyang favoritism. No? Siya po ay patas sa lahat. No? And you can see that the three kings, no? I would want also to remind you triumvirate, no? When we talk about three, no? Recently in the Manila Film Festival, no? I was texted by my sister and some priests, no? To watch Gomburza, no? Very historical, very inputs of knowledge of our history, and Gomburza represents the three Filipino priests, no? Gomez, Burgos, and Zamora. No? And you can see that Christ, no, manifests Himself. No? Ibig sabihin po ng Epiphany, manifestation, revelation. Pinapakilala ng Diyos na Siya'y nakikita, Siya'y nararamdaman, Siya ay katulad din natin. No? Before we believe only that God is pure spirit. But because of the mystery of the incarnation, the second person of the Most Holy Trinity became human like us. He is God from the very beginning, but He made Himself, no, so humble to become human like us in all things except sin. No? Kasi ang Panginoon ay pure, immaculate. No? Hindi marunong gumawa ng masama, no? At gumawa ng kasalanan. No? At ang pagpapakilala ng Panginoon, no, ay nakilala natin sa manger, no, ng ang mga mago ay dumating dahil sa gabay ng shining star, no? Yun ang kanilang gabay para makita at ang ating Panginoong Hesus. Sabi nga dito sa Ebanghelyo, they saw the child and the mother Mary, no? And they worship and adored this baby Jesus. Diba sa history natin, no, Magellan, a Portuguese, but sailing under the patronage of Spain. No? And he landed somewhere in Panay, and said that he brought the image of the Holy Child o Santo Niño. At masabi given to Chieftain Humabon. No? And later on, they came back, because Magellan was told being killed by our hero Lapu-Lapu. No? And this Holy Child made a lot of Filipinos to be converted and to embrace Christianity. Sabi nga, 503 years na tayong Kristiyano. Magellan came 1521. No? Kaya meron tayong mga festivals in honor of this Holy Child. No? Ati-atihan, dinagyang, at sinulog. No? But not only the child Jesus, but an adult child. No? Ang Santo Niño sa Pilipinas, we celebrate the solemnity on the third Sunday of January. But also, the itim na Nazareno, the feast day is January 9. You can see by January 9, a lot of Filipinos, devotees, would come to pay homage to our Black Nazarene. And you can see whether child or adult Jesus, marami pong tao ay nagabayan at nabiyayaan at nakilalang lubos ang ating Panginoon. Why the popular saying, three kings? Ang paniniwala po natin, baka hindi lang tatlo, mas higit pa na mga mago. But we base on the three gifts. Ito po ang kanilang aginaldo sa Panginoon. Gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Gold representing that the baby Jesus is our true King. King of all kings. And second, frankincense symbolizes that this baby Jesus is true God. Kapag tayo nag-iinsenso, ang usok pumapanik patungong langit. Remembering the true dwelling place of God is heaven. And then third, myrrh, symbolizing that Jesus is true human. Yung myrrh po, ginagamit ito kapag may sakit at nag-aagaw buhay, pinapahid ito sa katawan, para bumango at yung fragrance to reach heaven, so that the Lord would be saying, this man has so many good virtues and he is welcome to enter the gates of heaven. Kaya maganda na isipin natin, bakit yung tatlong mago at yung mga tinatawag nating mga pastol ang nakapunta doon sa kinalalagyan ng baby Jesus, ang sabsaban. Kung napakalaki ng star, bakit sila lang ang nakakita? Perhaps in the Jews in the city of Jerusalem, they were blinded by their preoccupations. Baka mas mahalaga sa kanila ang business, ang komersyal, ang karir. Kaya nakalimutan na tumingala sa langit. Ano ba ang mensahe ng Diyos? God sends His messages, not only in dreams, but the stars in heaven. Yung shepherds, they were guarding their sheep, and then when they saw groups of angels singing, Deo in excelsis Deo. And they learned that the baby Jesus is born in Bethlehem. No? Perhaps a lot of people were not able to see that star because of arrogance and pride. No? Or thinking that other nations are inferior. No? All other cultures are less important. No? Kaya maganda, huwag laging inaangat lagi natin ang ating sariling bangko. No? We should appreciate also the good character and good cultures of different from us. No? And this manifestation of the star, no, maganda pala we do stargazing. No? Kasi kung minsan we want to reach our star, our ambition, our goals. No, when we talk about the stars, no, ito po ang naghudyat sa atin, no, to prepare Christmas season by making Christmas lanterns. No, ito pong dahilan bakit tayo may mga parol. Reminding that Jesus is our greatest star. He is our light. No? Kung po tayo'y nababalot ng kadiliman dito sa mundo dahil sa kasalanan, andito po si Kristo bilang ating tanglaw, ang liwanag na magbibigay sa atin ng gabay patungong langit. No? Marami po sa atin nasisihan or mesmerized by the stars. No? Kaya meron pong walk of stars, no? In Walk of Fame in LA, in Los Angeles, no, honoring celebrities, Hollywood celebrities, no, in entertainment, in movie, in theater, no, and even comic characters, cartoons, no. Doon po ay merong sa sidewalk may star tapos pangalan, no. At doon ko nakita si Mickey Mouse, no, yung mga magagaling na direktor, mga artista. At hindi naman papahuli ang Pilipino. We have this Eastwood, no, Walk of Fame. Doon ko nakita, no, sa semento, sa sidewalk, no, ang pangalang Dolphy, pangalang FPJ, no, maganda. No? Ino-honor natin yung kanilang na-harness na talents. No? Meron pa nga pinangalan sa mga bituin. Andyan si Sharon Cuneta, megastar. No? At ang gusto kong kanta sa kanya ay Balutin Mo. No? Kasi every party, every handaan, pag ako'y naimbitahan, sasabihin, Father, maraming pagkain. Balutan kita. No? Para naman sa mga kapatid mo. At meron din naman na superstar. Walang iba kundi si Nora Honor. Nagkasal ako noong December 29 sa Silang, Bella Rosa Gardens. At nalaman ko kay Susan at kay Gigi Bondok na isa sa ninang ay si Nora Honor. No, tinawagan dati ako ni Gigi. Sabi niya, Father, nagpapabless ng bagong bahay si Nora. Pwede ka ba? May ipit na yung schedule ko. No? Gustong-gusto kong mablessan. Kaya lang first come, first serve. Hindi natuloy. Yung ikalawa, matutuloy. Sabi ko, darating ang ninang sa kasal. No? Pero, hindi siya nakarating kasi may karamdaman na. No? Kaya isinasama ko na lang sa dasal ang ating superstar. No? Meron din namang star for all season. Walang iba kundi si Vilma Santos. No? At siya pa nga ang nanalo Best Actress ngayong Manila Film Festival. No? Pero kung pong kinuha ninyo si Gigi at si Susan, pihado sila ang Best Actress ng Manila Film Festival. Maganda, meron tayong tinitingala, merong inspirasyon sa atin kung anong mga nagawa ng mga celebrities ito. Pero wag nating kalimutan, the true star of our life, the true light of the world is none other than Jesus Christ. No, marami tayong hinahangaan. Pero mas maganda, hangaan at tularan natin si Jesus. Sabi niya, if you want to see the Father in heaven, if you want to go to heaven, He said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. Let be Jesus our true star. Wag lang po tayong mahilig pumunta sa Star City for the rides. But let us look forward for our guiding star, none other than Jesus. Amen.
Thank you for joining us. View our past broadcast on the St. Peter Community YouTube channel and St. Peter Community Facebook page. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be notified on our upcoming activities. Maraming salamat po at laging tandaan, unahin natin lagi ang Diyos.